Welcome! It's me, Eric Empire, going to be turning into a dark Empress using dark and golden shades. Let's see how this turns out. Well, goodbye beard. Doing nothing special with the foundation today, so let's skip to the part and fast forward. That's basically the foundation, and I'm continuing for this mysterious and dark look with the chocolate gold palette from Too Faced that actually smells like chocolate. I mean, I need a snack. So that's our start. We started with this basic brown, this cocoa truffle, and with that we have a nice base. We're going in now with the darkest color, which is basically a blackish color. It's decadent. It's going a bit decadent, then moneybags, which is a little bit of greenish color, and then the chocolate gold to have the gold in there. Now we continue with this nice green, these money bags over here. And now for the more center, we're going to use the wonderful goldstone chocolate gold. And to highlight the inner eye corner, I'm going to use the rich girl, because I'm going to use the NYX, that's the point, yeah, that's a point. I'm not sure if I like it. I'm not sure if I like it. What I want now is more gold. So I'm having this little darling here. It's my all-time favorite. Yes! That's what I want. Gold. Boom. Yes. Now we're more on my side of life. So basically we're continuing with the lips. And for that I'm using something new. New product from Sephora. Ooh, yeah. We want that makeup. So what are we going to use here is Golden Party from Sephora and Weirdo Indigo also from Sephora. We're going to use both of them. Before we're doing that, I am going to prep and prime my lips over here with MAC. And then we prep and prime. So smooth. And then we're going to use that one. Look at that. Ooh, doo, doo. Oh my god. But what I hate is this applicators. So I'm using a pencil. So, those are basically lips. I'm not sure if I do like the blue to everything together, but let's keep it like that and keep on going. Next thing is that I'm going to wear some lashes. Lashes. So, we've done an okayish job until now. Well, now I'm going to have a little bit more intense contour with some bronze powder. This one Mom got me once. Like, she had it at home and told me she's not using it. Yeah, that's mine. Thanks, Mom. So, next up is highlight. We haven't done it. Now we're going to do a blush first. I'm going to use the Kryolan palettes that I made up myself. That's basically an eyeshadow. Using a lot of blush. Looking like a woman with a lot of blush. And now I'm going to use this sleek highlighting palette with some highlighters. This is the highlighting palette Cleopatra Kiss. And I think that's it. What is missing is my signature beauty mark, and I think, yeah, that's something. Let's see with the wig on, and then I'm going to decide if I do like it or not. Let's set this with the NYX, the NYX matte finish spray. And put on the wig. So, that's the final result. She's dark, she's an Empress. She's a dark Empress. Does this make any sense? I don't know. And I don't care. Because I'm gorgeous. Because I'm gorgeous. So gorgeous. I really like it. I really like, you know, all the bling bling and the feathers and also the crown. It's a pretty crown. It was not that expensive how it looks, because it looks not that expensive, and it was even cheaper. But we don't care, because we're gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. What do you think? Am I gorgeous? I don't care what you think.